Hello guys, and welcome to Not David Zamoletta. In today's video, I'm in my favorite park and I will be unboxing this S600 wireless headphones. Let's see if they're really worth the 50 bucks I paid for them on Amazon. Let's check it out. So let's take a look. So here's the headphones themselves. I must say it's pretty nice little packaging. Looks like you need to just undo them right over here, or you could just simply slide them out. So they're by Vankyo. And here they are. Wow, I must say they actually look pretty nice. So let's see what else is inside. We have this little box here. So it looks like we have a USB Type-C charging cable and 6 more earbuds. That's really good. Let's try them on and see if they're comfortable. So this is a clamshell design that is slightly magnetic. It opens and closes really nicely, so when you do actually flip them over, they're not going to fall right out. So let's go ahead and actually test fit one. So this says left, means left ear. Let's insert them. And here they are. So that one fits really nice. Let's put this one in. So the standard earplugs, they work just fine, the rubber pieces. So this is actually a really good fit. So before we actually turn them on and test them, let's see if they fall out if you try to exercise, because this is why I got them. So if you shake your head up and down, you could like really stomp around. Let's do a little bit more of that a little bit later. But obviously they stay in the ears. So if you're really active, you're trying to work out, maybe you do some boxing, you know, or just running, they're not gonna fall out. So we will actually test this function. But now to the most important thing. Let's check the call quality. Let's also see how to pair them and play some music and see how well it is. So guys, the box that they come in has charging ports. Let me show you. So when you actually put it inside of the box and plug the USB Type-C into this connector here, they will actually charge the clamshell box with your headphones in there. And whenever you're done using them, you simply put them back in a box like this. And it's a magnetic type of fit. So when you actually put them in, they stay right in and they don't actually fall out. So, you know, you pull them out like so. But whenever you actually get them, they're gonna have these blue tabs. So if you don't see them and you kind of miss these things, then it's not actually going to be charging your headset. So you wanna make sure you remove the blue tabs. And that is actually nice that they do that, because it's gonna prevent them from overcharging. So you simply need to, well, this one, oh yeah, it's right here towards the top. So pull that right off. So now, whenever you actually install them, they're gonna be charging. So guys, when I actually put them inside the box, they do the little blinky type of light. So when you put them in like that, they start blinking. Not sure if the camera is actually picking that up. So now it's actually time for us to pair them and see how well they pair. As usual, I don't read the instructions, so I'm just going to wing it. So here we have my iPhone, we got the headset itself. Before anything, let's just see what's gonna happen. I could see that this one's actually blinking, that one's not. Let's actually install both of them in and have them blinking. Then we're gonna go to Bluetooth and let's see if they already come up in the search. It says other devices. I'm not sure if they're in pairing right now. This is just me just trying to test it. I cannot see that they're pairing, so let's just maybe hold that. Okay, I don't see any of that, so I'm gonna put one in my ear. Okay, when I actually inserted it in my ear, it said power on. So by holding the button down, it powers it on. By holding the button down again, you have to wait, and it's actually going to power down. So I'm going to hold it right now and turn it on. It just powered on, and then I waited for the beep. So the beep hasn't happened, and it just turned off. So guys, quite interesting. What I had to actually do is turn off my Bluetooth, turn it back on, and now I see that it's S600 right here in the actual menu, and it's set pairing inside of my ear because I am wearing it. So now it says it's connected. So at least the one in my right ear is connected. Let's go ahead and actually put that other one on. As soon as I inserted the left ear one, it actually said power on when I actually inserted it. It's just like automatically comes on, I guess, due to touch. So next I want to see if the music will play in both ears, or I need to pair both ears. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and actually open my Amazon Music app, which is right here. Select a popular station. Let's see, pop culture, and let's see what happens. Guys, they are both working, the left and the right. So when I was actually pairing the one on the right side, they both paired. That is actually really important because I've bought headset for $50 before, and it did not do that. You had to pair each individual headset separately, and whenever you pull one out, sometimes they mess up, and they were not like true wireless. This seems true wireless. I just pulled this one off, music is still playing. So let me put this one in. Man, it like immediately starts playing. Just playing. It almost makes me think like they're always on. Yeah, they are actually both on. They're both playing regardless if I pull them out of the ear. So I'm inserting it right now. Guys, the sound is amazing, and because it is the insert of the ear type, it cancels out all the background noise, so I have to actually pull it out to talk because I cannot really hear myself. Beautiful sound, guys, by the way. I love these things. They're definitely worth 50 bucks for sure. Yeah, it says wireless earbuds, true wireless earbuds, S600. So guys, right now we're gonna go for a test. I'm gonna try to do some running, some push-ups and whatnot, see how active they are, if you could actually use them and be active at the same time. So let's do that. GoPro. Need I say more, guys? They just stay on your ear. I'm really happy with my purchase. Before these, I use Bose. They work excellent, but they are really expensive, $350 a set, and just lugging them around just doesn't worth it for me. Having something small and active where it's nice and hidden really does it for me, guys.